Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shruti Sapuri. You might have already understood by watching my thumbnail about today's topic. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic where we are transforming the source of electricity from a non-renewable source to a renewable source. Why do you think the shift is needed? Any guesses? Yes, because of the emission of carbon dioxide into the environment. The world is looking for clear and green sources of energy like wind energy or solar energy or any kind of renewable energies. Watch my video till the end to understand. So, let's get started. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said solar energy would power aspirational India in the 21st century as the country was emerging as the most attractive market for this energy because of the exemplary progress made in this field. Let us now understand what is solar energy, what are the benefits of solar energy, and will solar energy be the future of the world? And if so, how to set up a solar panel at our home and who are they selling it? So watch my video carefully till the end to understand everything. What is solar energy? Solar means the sun. So ultimately solar energy is the energy of the sun. Each and every day the earth receives so much of energy from the sun. Using some scientific methods we can utilize this energy. Using some different methods, like we can convert the solar energy to any form of energy that is useful to us. For example, we can convert solar energy to electrical energy, and then we can convert electrical energy to heat energy, potential energy, or kinetic energy, etc. So solar energy is a useful and precious form of energy which can be converted into other forms of energy. Where are we currently using this solar energy? To power satellites having large solar panels, we are already using solar watches, solar calculators. Solar energy is used in industrial zone for power generation, and there are also cars that runs completely on solar energy in some parts of the world. Always remember, solar energy is a renewable form of energy, which means we can use it again and again. It is an environment friendly source of energy because it does not produce carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide, etc. Isn't it interesting? Then do we have any solar projects in India? Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, while inaugurating Asia's biggest solar project in Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, said solar energy will play a big role in Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. The 750 megawatt plant in Rewa is the first largest renewable energy project to provide energy outside the state, which is to Delhi Metro. Prime Minister Modi says he expects Madhya Pradesh to become a hub of clean energy in addition to this project in India. The state currently has solar energy projects in construction at Neemuch, Shajapur, Chhatarpur and Omkareshwar. Calling solar energy sure, pure and secure, Modi said India is one of the most attractive markets for clean energy, which means solar energy is going to be a major medium of energy not only today but in the 21st century. This also reduces dependence on China for solar power by starting from 15 to 20% to a rise of 40% in near future. This project in Rewa is promoted by a joint venture between the state government and SECI, the central agency implementing the National Solar Mission. And also, the state farmers would make use of this under government's Kusum program and will install solar projects in their land, and it will be an additional source of income to the farmers. Do you know, the UNDP, United Nations Development Program, in its 2000 World Energy Assessment found that the annual potential of solar energy was 1,575 to 49,837 exajoules. The total world energy consumption is just 559.8 exajoules in 2012, which means there is still large potential of solar energy. The renewable form of energy will left unused, or we are still leaving unused. Now going deep into the Rewa project, the then Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan had laid the foundation stone in December 2017. This solar planet will generate 750 megawatts of electricity and was established with an investment of 4,500 crores. And you can see the location here. If you ask me who developed this project, as I said earlier, it's a joint venture between the state and center. Also the solar park was developed by Reva Ultra Mega Solar Limited, which is RUMSL. Since it is a joint venture of both the center and the state, both parties will have 50% stake. In this project, a total area of 1500 hectares are used for 3 solar generating units of 250 megawatts, which means each solar unit for an area of 500 hectare plots. The main objective of this project is to reduce carbon emission, which is equivalent to 15 lakh tons of carbon dioxide per year approximately. What are the benefits of REVA project now? I can clearly compare you the details of solar project tariffs. In 2017, it was 4.50 rupees per unit. The REVA project achieved the first year tariff of 2.97 rupees per unit and the tariff escalation of 0.05 rupees per unit over 15 years. Now a clear doubt. Who will utilize the electricity generated from this project? Institutional customers such as Delhi Metro will receive 24% of its energy, and the left 76% is being supplied to the state distribution companies in Madhya Pradesh. India will be the lowest cost provider of solar power in the world. Keeping that in mind and knowing its full potential, entrepreneurs have already started startups in India. We really need to encourage Make in India products at this point of time. There are some top 10 Indian startups of solar energy that are in India and top 5 best solar companies in India from a long time. Let us do a quick glance over startups first. We have got Mumbai-based rooftop solar startup Urjan Green Tech, which was founded by Murali Gupta and Gautam Das in 2014. Then we have Oriano Solar, Mumbai-based solar startup founded by Sachin Jain, Samir Shah and Ashwant Rao in 2015. A New Delhi-based Claro Energy, solar pumping solution provided, founded by Karthik, Samrida Mishra and Gaurav Kumar in 2011. Orb Energy, a Bangalore-based renewable energy startup founded by Damian Miller and NP Ramesh in 2006. A Noida-based online rooftop solar startup, MySun, which was founded by Gagan Vermani and Gyan Prakash Tiwari in 2015. Then we have Signi Energy, a Hyderabad-based solar startup which was founded in 2015, and Fourth Partner Energy, which is again a Hyderabad-based solar startup which was founded by Saif and Vivek in 2010. Azure Power, a New Delhi-based clean energy startup founded by Indrapreet in 2008. A Mumbai-based solar energy startup, Clear Max Solar, founded by Sushant Arora, Kuldeep Jain and Andrew in 2011. Gurugram-based clean power startup, Renew Power, which was founded by Suman Sinha in 2015, which is featured as one in top 10 of the whole decade. As Indian market is dominated by Chinese solar panels, there are really the best Indian companies that manufactures world-class products and exports to Europe and US but couldn't compete in India due to its dumping of Chinese cheap solar panels in India. Let us now look at top 5 best Indian companies, Make in Indian companies in solar stream. Number 1, we have Waaree and we have Adani Power. Number 3, we have Tata Power. Number 4, Vikram Solar, and number 5, we have MV. So my friends, that's about solar energy, its benefits and the future of solar in India and top companies and startups based on solar and also full details on REVA project. If you want to know how to set up a solar panel in your home as a DIY, do let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video on it. If you like the information in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you all in my next video.